Take a ride in the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.